Hey all, Rusty RVerTV. I'm here in my studio here. Rattan just sent me a bike for a review. This is their LM 750 Pro. It's a gray one. Gonna get it unboxed here. They sent it to me a while back because of the weather. I'm just now getting around to it. Anyway, let's get her unboxed and check this thing out. I am already impressed. This thing comes fully assembled except for the seat and the handlebar. Even the pedals are on this thing. A lot of these e-bikes you got to put them together, put the fenders on them, everything. This is fully assembled. I love it. All you gotta do is just fold it back. It was folded in half. That's how a lot of these e-bikes, the foldables, store away. That latch right there will lock it in place. I'm kind of doing this one-handed with the camera. See right there, that's where the handlebars slide in. Absolutely perfect. I mean, out of the box together, less than 60 minutes. This thing's well built. It's sturdy. Got the big fat tires on it. Even the pedals are on it. All right, let's stick the seat in there. Lock it down in place. That'll hold it in there. Come on, the handlebars. You just pop that latch open there and you can slide them up and down, adjust it, whatever height, and away you go. There it is, a 750, LM 750 Rattan, fully assembled. It's taken me about 40 minutes so far to put it all together. That is incredible. Absolutely love it. Came with a few accessories. Has a backrest. This actually has a passenger seat on it, so you can bolt that in there. I don't plan on hauling anyone. So there's one of their accessories. Plus it has foot pedals for the passenger. You can put them on too. But for this review, I don't need them on there. I'm not right now. Battery charger, we're charging her up as we speak. Comes with a little toolkit. Perfect. Alright, I'll show you how to turn it on. That's a nice seat, big padded seat that comes with this thing. Very well built bike. Okay, you see this little controller, you push and hold. That powers on your display. Gets all the readings, miles per hour, your battery charge, all that. See these up and down arrows? That controls how much power you're sending back from the battery to the motor. And they should be calibrated. 1, 2, 3, yes. 4, let's see how many this has. 5. Some have 7. This one has 5. And then you use the down button, pull it down. The more power you draw to the motor, the quicker your battery will discharge. These are pedal assist, so you're supposed to pedal while you're using the thing. But absolutely a well-built bike. Looks good, good colors, big tires, 7-speed, yes. And your throttle is right up here on the handlebar. Brake, and he even has a brake light. Look at that. Pretty cool. Safety first on these. And a headlight. Also, see these holes here? You can probably get baskets for it from Rattan. Front baskets, rear baskets probably. They got all kinds of accessories back there. So if you didn't want the second seat, I'm sure they got accessories. Matter of fact, we're going to check out their website real quick. So there it is. There's your Rattan 750 Pro, LM 750 Pro. While the battery's charging up, let's jump over on the website, check out, see what they got over there. Here we are, RattanEbike.com. Here's their website. Here's the different models. Here's our LM 750 Pro. There's red, purple, green, gray. They got a Pathfinder ST and regular Pathfinder. So all different sizes, step-throughs, foldables. Very well built bike, and I love the way they shipped it fully assembled. Let's check this up here. Okay, you can get saddlebags, phone mount, bike lock, and baskets. So there you go. There's your accessories too. So anyway, be sure to check out their website, RattanEbike.com.